Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN CapCut on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Proton app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In Proton, choose the server in the country you want to appear from. Tap Connect. Wait a few seconds until it shows connected. Once connected, you will see a VPN icon in the top bar of your iPhone. This means your internet is now routed through the VPN server. Now open the CapCut app on your iPhone. Because your internet is going through Proton VPN, CapCut will think you are in the selected country. This can unlock additional effects, music, or features. You can now edit videos, add music, use special effects, or access features that might not be available in your region. When you are finished using CapCut, you can go back to Proton VPN and tap disconnect. This will restore your normal internet connection. And that's it. You have successfully connected Proton VPN to CapCut on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.